Right after the stock collections, we're now onto the fund collections. Here you can see we group funds by different categories such as factor rankings, themes, and countries. Let's use top performing fund collection as example to show you what everything means. Here you can see a list of funds ranked by their return rankings, and we choose to highlight the funds who invest in equities in their underlying investments. On this collection, you can also play around by selecting and deselecting some of the preset filters. For example, if you want to deselect the equity tag and only have the return ranking to remain, you can choose to do that. Or if you wish to choose the US as the geographical focus and choose the asset universe as exchange traded funds rather than all the funds, apply the filters and there you go. You now have a new list of collection that show you the exchange traded funds with the US as their geographic focus and sorted by their return rank. Here you can also add something to your watch list or take something out of your watch list. You can also directly tap into the funds and view their details. Now let's move on to another example, and we choose Future Tech. Future Tech is a theme that we have pre-made for you. These are the funds that invest in the technology area that will make a big difference to our future lives. So here, since the default sort bar is the average of return, stability, and fees, however, if you wish to change that to sort by the fee rank only, you can easily change that right away. And right here, you now have a new list of funds that are sorted by their fee rank and continue to have the Future Tech as their main theme. So let's just click into one of the funds here to see what's inside. And right here, you have this ETF that invests in the US biotechnology sector. And since here you care a lot about the fees, let's scroll down to see how much is actually the fee. And right here it shows you the fund is charging you 35 basis points or 0.35%. So this is our fund collection. Hope you like it and find it useful.